Alright, tonight's episode, we're gonna start drawing. We're gonna start to draw Snartle from Yokai Watch. Snartle is one of the rarest yokai and a really hard to beat boss as well. This guy takes jaywalking really seriously. He has this capability of scaring kids into a good behavior. And, well, according to Nate's dad, back in the old days, people used to dress up as an ancient red skulled goblin to scare kids right before they went to bed. Back then, that people thought scaring children would make kids better behaved. Well, did it work? Here's your answer. It does. But it does work. It worked back in the old days. But when Snartle first appeared, even though he's been around for a long time, people could see him most of these days. And, well, he ended up... Well, truth is, people don't use swords back in the old days like they used to. Well, the razor-sharp swords are actually his thing. And without him, no one will think he's an actual yokai. In order for you to summon Snartle, you must go to the stoplight and cross it 3 or 4, 5 times or 7 times or more. That's why he'll appear. But I must warn you, the more times he attacks his opponent, the more times he beats his enemy, the more stronger he becomes. So it's going to be hard for you to beat him. So here are some tips on how to beat Snartle. You must have a S-rank yokai at level 99. Have them wear special talismans to defend themselves. In case they need revival, use the Mighty Medicine. And I'm talking about the purple one. I meant the blue one. The bright blue one. That's what I meant. Now, there we go. Here's his sword. There's his sword. Here's that Kabuki armor. His Shogun armor. And one more thing. His special move is 4 naughty brats! Honestly, he sounds like a goat. One more thing. You can get his yokai medal in a Yokai Watch Series 2 page pack. All that is one of the reasons why Snartle is really rare. His special medal is glitzy. Really glitzy. We're almost there, everyone. No offense, but I've really wanted to draw this character for a long time. This guy really completes my collection of master designs. He's like a superhero. Here's the sword. And there he is. That is how you draw Snartle. You remember his American form, Brutile, right? Now I finally completed both his forms. Now my picture is complete. I'm happy you all enjoyed this episode. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And let me know what interesting character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later.